Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Although we're in the middle of winter, once in a while I crave hot dogs, either steamed or grilled. Did you know that there's a great easy way to steam them and it takes only 10 minutes? Well, here's how to do it. So let's get cooking. We'll add some water to a shallow skillet and place a steaming basket inside, making sure the water is just below it. We're not boiling the hot dogs, we're steaming them. We'll cover, because it's faster that way, and bring the water to a boil. When it gets there, we'll place our wieners. David is having 2 and only 1 for me. Put the lid on and steam them for 10 minutes, but halfway through cooking, we'll flip them over. We want to make sure that all sides are hot and juicy. We'll cover again and continue steaming for the remaining 5 minutes. As you saw in this video, it's quick and easy to make, plus you have the same results as the ones from the ballparks and the hot dog stands. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!